out here on another large full roof replacement in Zionsville, Indiana. As you can see behind me, we are at Zionsville Fellowship Church in Zionsville. The church reached out to us, asked us to come out, inspect their roof. They were looking at a retail quote. We informed the church that they had pretty extensive hail damage, provided them a photo report. Once they reviewed the report, they agreed. We met with their insurance company, advocated on their behalf. This is a 1,000 square project, so you can imagine we saved the church quite a bit of money that they will be using for other repairs. We've already upgraded the gutters. We will be painting the church after we're finished here. We use these equipters on larger projects. Helps clean up the mess, the debris, keeps it from flying all over the church parking lot. So with the equipter, we raise them up to the eave, to the roof line. We can throw all our shingles off and prevents making a huge mess. We use synthetic felt on every project. It's just another layer of protection. If your shingles blow off, it's like having a tarp under your shingles here. We've went ahead and branded our felt custom to Gladiator here. If you have storm damage, definitely keep us in mind. 317-360-ROOF. We'd love to get out, take a look at your roof, let you know if it's advantageous to file a claim, get you back to pre-storm condition. Definitely keep us in mind. 317-360-ROOF. That's 7663. We got you covered.